Hi YouTube, it's Quita. I am back with another video. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Quita and I have lost over 20 pounds. One thing that helped me while I was starting my lifestyle change was continuously watching YouTube videos on different ideas of what to eat each day to spice up my unhealthy lifestyle eating, and then also to just motivate me to keep going, that it was other people out there doing what I was doing, because none of my friends were doing it, none of my family was doing it. So if you're interested in changing your lifestyle, eating better, being motivated, then continue watching so you can see what I ate this day. Also, before we go, please make sure that you like this video, comment the video. If you have anyone on the journey with you, share this video with them. It means a lot if you guys were to support me so I can continue to grow my channel and produce these types of videos. So thanks. Good morning. It is a beautiful day to live a healthy lifestyle and get your life on track to be a better you. So what are you gonna do today, girls and boys? What y'all gonna do? So this morning I decided to do another what I eat in a day. If you didn't catch my last one, I took way too many vitamins and my body had a side effect. But I'm good now. I know what to do and what not to do. Honestly, I still take my elderberry because it works, and so it still happened again. But I couldn't pass up on taking my elderberry once I went grocery shopping. So anyway, today I'm just gonna be showing y'all exactly what I eat in a day. I am going to be trying out some new recipes, so that's exciting. I'm trying to do, not trying, I have been eating like less meat, less dairy, like cheese, because I don't drink milk anyway, so cheese was the only dairy that I really was consuming, and eggs. So I've been trying to eat less of that. And I went like on a mad hunt yesterday looking for a juicer, could not find it, but whatever. I am going to be ordering one, and in the meantime you're going to see me just eating less and less meat, and today's going to be a perfect day for that. So y'all stay tuned. We're gonna start our morning off with a lime juice shot. I got this idea from QuitasGlamCam, and so I'm gonna be doing that this morning for the first time. Usually I drink my warm apple cider vinegar water or like warm lemon water, so this is gonna be different. Let's see. So we ready, y'all. I am cringing. Like, anybody that knows me knows I drink a little bit, but I despise shots. It's just something about all this going down my throat at one time. Let's just go. Oh, that was good. I like that. Let me get some water. Now that we've done that, I am about to work out. Now, I know you're probably saying, girl, how did you wake up and work out? First off, I'm off today. I can do that. Second off, y'all, you have to work out. Like, especially if you're doing a job where you don't do a lot of walking, you're sitting most of the time, or you're just standing on one spot. Yes, standing burns more energy than sitting, but you're still not burning a whole lot of energy. So you have to be active. If it's just for a walk, if you do one of these little dance videos on YouTube, if you actually pick up some weights, you just have to do something. So I recommend for you to work out at least 3 times a week. Put it into your schedule, just like 30 minutes. And again, you can make it fun. Like me, I do a lot of hip hop Tabata with Keara Lashae, so you can do something that's fun for you and that will ease you into working out and sticking to your schedule. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to work out right now. I'll drop like one of my favorite videos or two down at the bottom. Y'all can do it. And then I'm going to see y'all for my breakfast smoothie, which I'm very interested in trying because I've heard the best comments about cacao powder. So let's work out, shower, all that stuff, and I'll be back. I'm going to take this time to tell you something that I wish I had have known when I first started making smoothies, and that is, do not whatsoever go to the frozen fruit aisle and buy that bad fruit. It doesn't taste like fruit. It tastes like water with a little bit of sugar. So if you want amazing tasting smoothies, buy your fruit fresh, chop them up, peel them, whatever, freeze it, and then when you use it for your smoothie, one, it acts as an ice aid, so it's thick and also cold. Secondly, cacao powder tastes like chocolate. It's so good. So for the ladies that have issues with having a sweet tooth and wanting sweet things to eat, this is going to be really good. You can use it as a smoothie, or if you use less milk, it'll be like an ice cream, and you can top it with all these great things. So very, very yummy. Some benefits of cacao powder is fiber for a healthy gut, protein for muscle growth, potassium, magnesium, which is great for energy, and also antioxidants that aids in weight loss. As I mentioned earlier, I am straying away from eating so much meat. This is going to be my only meal today with meat or dairy on it. And as you see, it's just like little pieces of meat and then also little cheese. So it's not a lot. And then I just made this soup for the first time, and I've already tasted it and it tastes amazing. So I'm going to have this for my lunch, and this should hold me over for dinner. Sorry y'all, I thought I would have been cute by now, but I'm not. I'm about to get ready finally to go to the nail shop, and before I do so, I wanted to have a snack. So it's some dairy-free yogurt at the bottom of this bowl, and then I have strawberries, blueberries, and some of my protein mixed nuts. Honestly, I'm not a fan of yogurt. I eat it because it is healthy in certain situations. I literally only bought one of those things, and I'm probably not going to buy it again. But I'm going to eat it today because it's healthy and I don't want to waste my money. Hi, so I am finally back from the nail salon, and y'all, I am loving my cow print nails. They are just so cute. So anyhow, it's like 8:30 at night and I am starving. I am not going to bed hungry, so your girl is just gonna have to go to sleep with a little extra something on the belly tonight. That's fine, it'll be okay. Let me show y'all what I'm eating. So this is the Daya thin crust. You know, I hate when people read what you can clearly see, so I'm not going to do that. But just know it is vegan and it has like meatless sausage on there and cheese. So I'm going to see how I like it, and I'm going to let y'all know. So that was all I ate this particular day, and honestly it was a good day. It was crazy because I actually enjoyed that vegan pizza. I tried vegan cheese before. It was like the Go Veggie vegan cheese, and it was horrible. I ended up throwing a pack away, which is no good because you wasted money. But that was actually a pretty good pizza. Just be careful with the calories. If you're eating it for like dinner, make sure you have a light lunch, or if you're eating it for lunch, make sure you have like, you know, a light dinner. So that was it for today. Please go ahead and comment, like, subscribe, share, so I can continue to grow my channel and produce these types of videos. Thank you guys. Bye.